Heading out on our own with our hope in the clouds, and we're starting to see that we're onto something. Feel it coming, we'll keep running. Nothing in our way, and we got no reason to wait. Let the journey take you where it wants to. We'll continue to find our way through anything we face. We got what it takes. Here we go. All we need is an open road and a chance to see a never-ending world that's beautiful. Here we go, with the sunlight on our skin. It's a brand new day, it's ours to take, and we will let it in. This is where the adventure begins.
Wish namin sa'yo na you are good health, joy, and happiness in your life. Mag-aral kang mabuti para sa'yo. Mag-aral kang mabuti para sa'yo ang ginagawa namin ni Daddy. Nagsasacrifice kami dito ni Daddy na lumayo sa'yo para mabigyan ka namin ng magandang future. Be a good boy, na, and happy birthday. I love you and I miss you.
Happy birthday na anak. Mag-aral ka mabuti para sa future mo. Nandito lang kami yung mga ninong-ninang mo para sa happy birthday.
It's a winding road of all the places we will go.
Wish you all the best. Sana mag-aral kang mabuti kahit na wala si mga magulang mo dito. Nakagabay sa'yo. Di bali, andyan naman si Lola at Lolo mo at saka mga tita at tito mo. Be a good boy always. Mag-aral mabuti and God bless you.
It's a calling deep within your bones.
Happy birthday, Kian. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo. Sana wag mong bigol ng mami at daddy mo. Sana wag kang mag-daddy sa chupol.
Running wild and free, chasing down the sun. Oh, we've just begun. It's a winding road of all the places we will.
Always remember that teacher is always here for you, no matter what. Kaya siguro nilagay ako ni mami mo sa 7th treasure because you are one of my treasure. You are not just my student, but also you are one